We started with $1,000, and today Last month we began this experiment where we trade Forex using a hedging strategy, which is also called a, quote, no-loss trading strategy. Well, 1 month has passed. Have we made any profit? Is this an always-win trading method? And should we use it to make money trading Forex? Well, that's what we'll find out today. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and let's see what happened to our $1,000 account right after the intro. In today's video, we're going to briefly go over the strategy, share where scammers get these trading robots for absolutely free and sell them for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And finally, the most awaited moment, which is where we'll see the results of 1 month trading Forex using this hedging strategy. I got this trading method from a scammer who was trying to sell it to our Telegram group members. I was a bit annoyed as the scammer was impersonating us on Telegram. Let us know in the comments section if you know any way to report or block them. I keep getting messages on Telegram from our group members asking me if we have another account or channel and whether we're selling any trading signals, robots, or online courses. The short answer is no. Our content is 100% free, and the only way to support us is by hitting the thumbs up button and maybe leaving some comments. That takes a few seconds of your time, but it helps us a lot with the algorithm. So, I decided to get the strategy the scammer was selling and give it a try. I explained the whole thing in the previous video. The link should appear on the screen now. I strongly advise you to check it out to have a complete idea about this hedging strategy and how it works. I stick to my promise. If it's profitable, I will share it with you for free. The strategy is a no-loss trading method on paper for sure, but the reality might be different, and that's what we'll find out in a minute. This trading setup allows us to exit the market with a profit regardless of the direction of the price. Before we go over the results of trading this so-called no-loss trading strategy, let me share with you some facts I found out about this strategy and the robot that the scammer is selling on Telegram. First, the scammer is not the person who came up with this strategy. It's already available on many websites. We can find many trading robots online for absolutely free. They're usually cracked versions that the scammers update if the source file is available. They usually update the source codes to hide any watermark the original author might have included in their trading robot. This is maybe the easiest way to rebrand a white-label trading robot. I'm afraid I can't share those websites here as it's against YouTube policy. They're not difficult to find anyways. You just need to do some research on Google. Most scammers would send you a screenshot showing the results of backtesting the trading robot over a certain period. Those graphs are useless in my opinion because you can easily get those perfect results if you over-optimize any trading strategy. They'll usually ask you to use a certain preset, so even if you decide to do the backtesting by yourself, you'll get the same great results. But in many cases, the robot would fail to operate in real market conditions. But at that stage, the scammer has already got his money from you, and it's too late to complain or ask for a refund. One of the solutions is asking the developer of the trading robot to provide the MyFX book link that shows the performance of their strategy over at least 6 months. Many developers tend to run multiple accounts on MyFX book using different presets. They'll only display the profitable one, and if anything goes bad, they simply switch the link and offer the public another link where the metrics are positive. Another trick that the trading robots use is running their trading strategies on Forex accounts that are provided by low-tier Forex brokers. These brokers offer the scammers a chance to run their strategy on a virtual server that MyFX book considers real. That's why we see many strategy developers sharing their quote real $100,000 MyFX book profiles to trick people. There are a few more tips that I want to share with you, but I don't want to go off topic. Let me know if you want me to make a video revealing some of the other tactics scammers use in the Forex market. I recently made a video where I told you how this girl tried to scam me. It's a must-watch one. Again, we started our experiment with a $1,000 initial balance, and these are the results after 1 month. I don't think we need to comment on these metrics. To be fair, we managed to make some profit at first, around $200 over the first 30 days. That's 20% growth. But things went south afterward. Our $1,000 balance turned to 78 cents in 1 month and 3 days. This is not even our balance. It's just what's left from the free margin the broker has given us when we open this account. That was a quick way to blow up our investment. Glad I didn't use any real money here. The rest of the figures are catastrophic, obviously. We can see that the performance was still positive till the 8th of June, but the losses keep accumulating ever since. This could be due to some strong price movement that our balance was enabled to support. If we check the Forex event calendar, we can see some high-impact news on the 9th of June, which is one day before the collapse. Most hedging strategies require an important balance in trading with the smallest volume possible. Otherwise, any significant move could blow up our account. The potential to make a huge profit is always there, but the part that many people ignore is the chances of losing the entire investment in a fraction of a second. This is probably one of the ideas that many of our subscribers have been trying to emphasize since the very first video we've made about hedging strategies. So what if we double up our balance? Let's say use this exact hedging strategy with 10 times the balance used in the previous video, $10,000 instead of $1,000. Let's try that right away. Do you think we'll be profitable with a $10,000 investment? I'm interested to know why we've made these huge losses. What makes hedging strategies extremely profitable at the beginning? And why do the results tend to be the same? Again, we're using a $10,000 initial balance, and the minimum volume size would be 1 microlot. I believe we can resist tough market conditions with this setup, but let's wait a few minutes to see the results. No worries, I'll speed up the process. And while waiting, we'll appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up or down to help us with the YouTube algorithm. If you're wondering, I've been running this over the last 5 years to get reliable results. We can see that equity continues to increase as we progress with the backtesting process. Let's see what would happen at the end. Alright, we've just completed the backtesting process. It took around 1 hour and 15 minutes. These are the results. We can see a steady increase in the equity and balance. The drawdown doesn't seem to be an issue at first. We remained in the market for almost 1 year and made around $2,250 at one point of time after losing it all on the 23rd of May 2018, which was a spicy week in terms of economic events and volatility. So, to sum up, I won't recommend you use this strategy to trade Forex or any other financial market. It's extremely risky, and in case of any sudden strong move due to any reason, your account will be at high risk. It's profitable, but risky, and not a healthy way to trade any financial instruments. Let us know in the comments section what you think about Forex hedging trading strategies and the so-called no-loss trading methods. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And finally, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. Happy trading!